Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix fail to accept family invite on Steam. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So, if you're inviting someone or an account here to your family, so you can start sharing your games, well, there are a few things that you need to understand. Now, the thing with family or the slots that you could have on your Steam family, it's quite limited. So it means if your slots, so maximum of six, if I'm not mistaken, so that you have like six slots for your family account. So if you go to your settings at the top left, you click on Steam, go to settings, and you go to your family section here. Usually, you should be able to see a number of slots that is currently available. Now, in this case, if your slots are full, well, you won't be able to start adding other people. So you may want to remove accounts that you're not using or is not using your family settings anymore, and just add or uh, allow the other person to re-accept, and that should fix the problem. Now, if you have, like, let's just say three people in your family and the slots are not fully consumed yet and still have some space, well, another thing that you may want to know here is that sometimes regions or where the Steam account was created actually matter. Like, let's just say your account was created in the US and your friend is from Australia. So if you create your account on those countries, well, they will be in different regions. So in this case, you won't be able to invite them to your family, since the only person, or in order for you to use family settings inside Steam here, you need to be in the same region. So that's another prerequisite here in order for you to start using family settings with your friends. So if you're not in the same region, unfortunately, there's no going around. So the only thing that you could try doing here, or they could try doing here, is you may want to create an account or a Steam account for them in your current region, and you can just share the login details to them and see if you could actually invite that account that you created for them on your Steam account here, so that they could basically join your Steam family. Or in this case, you may want to like invite the account that you just recently created in the same region and just share the login details to them once you've actually added it in the actual Steam family. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.